Hello friends, again welcome to my maths class session. Today we will learn about addition and subtraction of fraction, whether it is a like fraction or unlike fraction. So let us start. Addition of fraction. For addition of fraction, I am just writing two fractions and how we will get the sum. When we are just adding two numbers which we are just going to add is called addends, and whatever we get after adding the result, you can say it is called sum. So if I am just going to add 4 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. So this type of fractions we have done in our previous class, that this type of fractions called like fractions because their denominators are same. So they are called like fractions. So if they are like fractions, we directly add the numerator. This is 7 upon 7 and 7 ones are 7. So we have just add these numerators when the condition is, carefully listen this, when the numerators, we just add the numerators because the denominators are same and this is like fractions. So this is the addition of like fractions. Now if unlike fractions are there, again you can better understand with some more example. Suppose 2 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. So this is like fractions, the denominators are same. So we will write 2 plus 3 upon 8 and that is 5 upon 8. So this is numerator is less than denominator, so we got the proper fraction, right? So if there is a proper fraction, no need to further divide it. So numerator, we just add the numerator in case of like fractions. They are called like fractions. And this is the addition of, you can say, the like fractions. When the denominators are same, there's no need to do anything else, just add the numerator. Now I am just taking the examples of unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, suppose the example is 4 upon 15 plus 3 upon 10. The denominators are not same, so they are called unlike fractions. So in this unlike fractions, what we will do first, now we cannot directly add the numerator. No, it will be wrong. So what we will do, we will just take the LCM of these very denominators, 15 and 10. This is, I am taking LCM. LCM of these two numbers. So both the numbers we can divide it with 5. So I am just dividing it. 5 3s are, 5 2s are. Now 3 1s are and 2 1s are. So the LCM is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So 5 3s are 15 and 15 2s are 30. Right? So this is the LCM. Right. Now there are two ways in which we can do. As in our previous class we have converted the unlike fraction into like fraction. So this is also we can do here, that we can convert this unlike fraction into like fractions and then we just add it up. Both the ways I'll just explain it. The first is we just convert it into the like fraction. So the first fraction is 4 upon 15. What we did in our previous class also, this LCM. Now how it becomes 15 to 30, 15 2s are. So we will just multiply the numerator also with the 2. So this is 8 upon 30. Now the second fraction is 3 upon 10. Again we will just make like fractions we are just making. We are using this LCM to make this like fraction. 10 3s are and 3 3s are. Now these are like fractions because their denominators are same. So they are like fractions. So it means now we are adding 8 upon 30 plus 9 upon 30. The 4 upon 15 converted into 8 upon 30 and 3 upon 10 converted into 9 upon 30. So now the denominators are same. So we can add the numerator, that is 8 plus 9 upon 30. Right? 8 plus 9, 17 upon 30. Right? Just I am writing it here, this answer, 17 upon 30. In this method, what we did, first we convert the fraction into like fraction and then we just add up the numerator. Right? Now I am just telling you the second method. In second method also, we are supposed to take it out, the LCM. LCM is same, it is 30. Now what we will do, I am just drawing a line over here, just below both these fractions. This plus, just to make your work beautifully, how you can do it in your notebook, just below this plus or addition sign, you just do this here. Now after just below this, you will write the LCM. Right? It means that this LCM belongs to this also and this LCM belongs to this also. This is the method which we will use every time in our senior classes or in the further classes. Now see, here you just do it like this. Now the numerator in the first fraction, the numerator you have to copy it as it is. No need to do anything with this numerator, just copy it, this numerator, multiplied with, this is the denominator, 15. 15, you just divide this 30, whatever be the LCM is being divided by the denominator. So 30 is being divided with 15. So 15 twos are 30. Right? Now the same here, because in the previous class also, in the previous session also I have told you that fraction means two parts, numerator and denominator. So we just copy the numerator and with the help of this denominator we divide this LCM. We got 2, whatever the quotient we got, we have written that quotient over here. Now same here, the 3 is the numerator, so we will copy this 3. Multiply, this 30 is being divided by this 10. So 10 3s are 30. Right? Now we will solve this. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9. And this is our LCM. Now 8 plus 9, 17 upon 30. So this is the answer. Now see, whether you are doing with this method or you are doing with this method, the answer is same. So it doesn't matter that how you are just doing it, but you know this is the method which we, frankly we will use in our senior classes. So I'll just suggest you that you have to opt this. That is also okay, that you just convert that unlike fraction into like fraction. Both the ways you can do, but that is more lengthy than this. And this is, so you have to opt this method. And then see, one more example I am taking to make it clear. I'll take one more sum. 7 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3. Right? Again, unlike fractions, so we cannot add directly the numerator. So what we people will do? First of all, we will take out the LCM of 9 and 3. 9, 3. We can divide both the numbers by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 3 into 3, that is 9. So LCM is 9. Right? So I am just writing it 9 plus. Right? I have told you to make the work beautiful, you can do it in this very way. Now, as I have told you, copy down the numerator, that is 7, multiplied by 9. Is this 9 is being divided by this 9? So 1, 9 1s are 9. Right? Now coming to this, 2 is the numerator, so we will copy down this 2. 9 is being divided by this 3, so 3 3s are 9. Right? Now 7 1s are 7, 2 3s are 6. That is 13 upon 9. Is this okay? Because if you will understand this addition, the subtraction is same as you have to do this addition. Because both the way the operation is only changed. Here we are just putting the addition sign, and in subtraction we will put the subtraction sign. So now I am just showing you the subtraction, how we will do the subtraction. Now see how we will do the subtraction with the help of some example. Now suppose I am just taking 3 1 by 3 and 6 1 by 4 from. So one thing which I want to make you very clear, that usually the students are doing mistakes here, that 3 1 by 3, I mean the question, what the question is, subtract 3 1 by 3 from 6 1 by 4. You have to subtract this number from this. It means that this is the bigger number. So this is the minute, you can say. So we will write it 6 1 upon 4 minus 3 1 by 3. You are not supposed to write 3 1 by 3 minus 6 1 by 4. This is wrong. This is wrong. You have to write from whatever it is. So this is the bigger number. You have to subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, fine. Now we will write it. We will convert this. This is the mixed fraction, whole number and a proper fraction. So first of all, we will convert it into improper fraction. So we just multiply these two. 6 4s are 24 and this has been added 1, so 25. Right? Now 3 3s are, we will multiply these two numbers. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Right? Now this is the unlike fraction. So what we will do, we will take the LCM of the denominators. So 4 and 3 are denominators. 3 is a prime number, will come into its own table. 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So this is 3 2 2. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Again, in addition, the same way I am doing as I have done the addition. Now this is subtraction sign. Now numerator will be copied, 25 will be copied. Multiply, we will divide this LCM with this denominator. 4 3s are. Numerator will be copied. 12 has been divided with this 3. 3 4s are. Now we will solve. 25 into 3, 75. Minus 10 4s are 40. Now we will subtract 75 minus 40. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. This is 35 upon 12. And this is, see, numerator is greater than this denominator. It is an improper fraction. So 35, we can divide 35 with this 12. Let us see. Twelve 2s are 24. So 2 is a whole number and 11 upon 12. And this is the answer. So it is nothing, it is nothing different. In addition, we are just putting the adding sign, and in subtraction, we are just putting the sign of subtraction. That is the difference between these two. Right? One more example I am taking to explain you more about this subtraction. So I am just taking one more example. So one more question I will take. 6 upon 30, 21 upon 36 minus 6 upon 13. Now again, unlike fraction. If they are unlike fractions, what we have to do? Taking the LCM of denominator, that is 36 and 30. This is 26, sorry, this is 26. So 13 twos are and 13 ones are. 2 ones are. So 13 multiplied by 2, that is 26. So LCM is 26. Right? Now again we will write this LCM here. Minus sign here. Now the numerator will be copied. 26 is being divided with this 26. 26 ones are. Now 6 is the numerator. We will copy it. And 13 twos are. So this is 21 minus 12 upon 26. Now we can subtract 21 minus 12. So we'll just borrow. It becomes 11. And this is 1. 11 minus 2. 9. 1 minus 1. 0. So this is 9 upon 26. Now it is a proper fraction. So we cannot divide it. So this is the answer. Got it? In this way, we will do addition as well as subtraction. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Now, one more example to make it more clear to this. I am just taking one more example of subtraction or addition, whatever. So, I am just taking it out, the example. Suppose the question is, I'm just taking a word problem. Ramesh spent 1/8 of his income on house rent. Ramesh is a fellow who spent 1/8 of his income on house rent. So we will write spent on house rent. That is 1/8. So whatever the question has been given, according to question, whatever it has been given, we will write first that. Then we will see what it has been. Every time the word problems, you have to read the question, understand that what we have to do. Now, and house rent. Ramesh spent 1/8 of his income on house rent and 1/8 for education. So spend on education. That is 1/8. Now after this, the question is being saying that 1/2 on food. He is spending on food also. So he spent on food. 1/2 he spent on food. Now the question is saying that what fraction of his income he saved. The question is asking, in this question it has been asked how much he saved. Right? So whatever he is spending, it has been given, and with the help of this we have to find it out that how much he saved. So for this, what we have to do, so whatever he is spending, we will just add that he is spending on rent, he is spending on education, he is spending on food. So what we will do first, we will add up these all three fractions, right? So we will add he spent, how much he is spending. So he spent 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/2. And addition, we are knowing, we have already learned that unlike fractions, we have to take first the LCM. So 2 4s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are, and then 2 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. So LCM is 2, 2, 2, that is 8, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we will write 8, right? Now again same, 1 is a numerator, we will copy. LCM has been divided with this denominator, 8 1s are. Just under this plus, I have written plus, again bracket. 1 is the numerator, so we will copy this. 8 1s are. Now 1 is again the numerator, 2 4s are, right? So 1 plus 1 plus 4 is upon 8. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So he spent 6/8. Now the question is that how much he saved. This is how much he spent. but the question is that how much he saved. So for saving, what we people will do, see what we will do. His income part he saves. His income was 1. His income was 1 whole. Now in this we will just minus 6 upon 8. So this is 1 upon 1. Again we will take the LCM. Numerator will be copied and 8 is being divided with this 1 minus numerator is copied and 8 is being divided by 8. So this is 8 minus 6 upon 8, that is 2 upon 8. And further you can reduce it. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So 1/4 is the right answer. This is the right answer. So in this way you can do addition and subtraction. And I think that you better understand now how we will do the addition and subtraction. This is all for today. And we will meet in our next maths class. Till then, bye-bye. Have a good day. Take care of your health.